Hello, today I'm going to introduce to you the QIT30 wireless writing tablet. This is a great product to write on and control your screen from anywhere in the room. It's extremely easy to use and supports plug-and-play functionality with Windows devices. The tablet comes with a wireless receiver that is stored in the back cover. The receiver is RF based and can be plugged right into your computer. Power on the tablet and click and hold the button on the receiver and the red button on the back of the tablet to pair. When the device is connected, there will be an icon on the LCD screen. Now that the tablet is connected to your laptop, you can control slides with the up and down button. Using the stylus, you can also easily control your computer volume. There's an active area for writing and a shortcut key bar to program in shortcuts. With our Flowworks Pro software, you can annotate over any document or PowerPoint slides. You can draw, erase, and switch slides easily with the QIT30. For more information, visit us at www.qomo.com.